The e-Learning Center at Prince Sultan University presents this tutorial on how to get started with Intelligent Touch Board. Get ready to revolutionize your teaching methods and inspire your students with the Intelligent Touch Board. In this short video, we explore its valuable features and benefits to help you transform your classroom into an engaging and immersive learning environment. The touch screen interface of the Intelligent Touch Board helps you write, draw, and annotate effortlessly, bringing your lessons to life and captivating your students' attention. Deliver impactful presentations that leave a lasting impression on their learning journey. The Intelligent Touch Board seamlessly integrates with leading educational software and applications, providing access to multimedia content, interactive lesson plans, and online resources. The Intelligent Touch Board is compatible with a wide range of applications, and one notable option is Octopus. Discover Octopus application in our future videos as we will showcase Octopus's capabilities, demonstrating how it maximizes the Intelligent Touch Board's potential. Stay tuned for our upcoming content as we delve deeper into the features of the Intelligent Touch Board and Octopus. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.